it says in the story, and then they disobeyed the commandment not to eat the fruit, which most people think is an apple.
Yeah.
It's probably a grape. Okay, so when they disobey, then they bring sin into themselves and everybody that they have after that, all their kids. Okay, so everybody gets a sin nature and everybody starts dying and the cemeteries keep filling up. And then another Adam, the second Adam, shows up 4,000 years later and makes a way to be reconciled back to God through what he did by suffering, bleeding, and dying. That's kind of the essence of it. And then those that believe that from the heart get restored back, and the ones that reject that don't.
Yeah.
So that's kind of the gist of it. So maybe you can look at that pamphlet and see what you think sometime.
Yeah, I skimmed through it, but I was going in between houses. So.
Because you've seen an hourglass.
Yeah.
You dump the thing upside down, and eventually all the sand runs out. That's our life. Eventually, we're going to be done, and then we can't change our mind after that. So you got only so much time to decide that. So that's completely up to you. You can take that or not. And you know what most people do? They don't. They don't. I've talked to many people, and they don't do it. So okay, well, can you go through your pitch if you want to?
Yeah. I'm Mack, obviously. You know who I am. I'm from Integrity. Have you heard of Integrity or?
I don't think so. I've heard of something that sounds similar.
Got you. Yeah. Integrity Home Exteriors. We're an exterior contractor based right here in Toledo. We've done a lot of work with families in this neighborhood, actually. And just because of that, we've just been going around offering that free exterior inspection, just to catch preventables before they become anything too crazy for you. If you have preventables, not everybody does. Just depends. But yeah, it's like a 30-point inspection, just like on your siding, doors, windows, gutters, just basic information pretty much for you.
Well, the only thing that we would consider having done is the roof. We've had 3 bids, and they've all been between, I think, probably 14, 16, 20K, somewhere up in there.
Okay.
And since it's not really old and it's very expensive, we're not really going to do it soon, even though at least one of the vents leaks. But that's just a vent. The rest of it does not leak.
They didn't suggest just like a repair. You were getting quotes for full replacement.
Well, I don't think they identified where the leak was. We did. I identified it by watching the rain, and it wasn't raining when they were there. So they would have had to try to, be real careful to see where the stains are.
See, that's where a lot of companies are different from us. So all I am is I take pictures and pretty much give you an overview of what's going on. And then if I see something that concerns me or concerns you even, like that vent leaking, I would have a specialist come out. He knows more information about that's the roof in particular, and he would find that leak, and he would even if it was leaking through your ceiling, he'd go in there, take some photos, and he would give you even more information about that. When other companies are don't even find it and they just throw you a number, we actually find it, see what's actually going on, see if we can just repair it if we can, and not throw you a giant number for a new roof,
Yeah, right.
Yeah, that's just kind of how we're a little different.
She took something from you. What was it?
Yeah, it was just a door hanger. It's pretty much just got what we do on it, the phone number, the basic price for a roof repair.
So how many doors do you think you've already done?
Today I've knocked probably 75 doors.
And out of that, do you have anybody doing an inspection?
No. It depends on the neighborhood we're in.
Okay, but how many days, weeks, or months have you been doing this?
About a month.
Okay, and you think you're gonna stay at it?
I think so. Yeah. At least
It's not the easiest job in the world, I wouldn't think, because of what we're talking about. It takes a lot of work to get somebody.
Yeah.
And in my little spiritual business, it's the same way. I've got to talk to a lot of people, and as far as I know, almost nobody bites. But it's free.
Yeah,
what I've got is free.
Yeah.
You don't have to go to church. You don't have to get baptized. You don't even have to ever talk to the guy again that told you. You just have to talk to the Lord. So I won't even know if you did.
Yeah.
I won't even know. Not until I die.
Yeah.
Unless I happen to see you. Well, Mack, I'm not really going to want to do it right now, but I'm not going to forget about it. I won't forget.
Yeah, of course.
So if we did call, we'd tell them you talked to us.
Yep, and I have you marked on my thing, so even if you called, I can actually give you a card.
That'd be all right. I'll keep the card.
Maybe.
Because it's possible I might.
It has my phone number on it, too, so if you guys ever do change your mind about that inspection, call my personal phone, and I can come out and do it for you.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for coming back.
Yeah, of
You
course.
said you would.
Thank you for talking to me. Yeah,
It could be
teaching me a
good.
little bit.
It could be good.
Yeah.
I believe it's real.
Yeah.
Thanks for your time.
Yeah, nice to meet you.
You too. We'll see you.